Welcome to our rice cooker showdown. Today we're comparing two fantastic models from CUCKOO, the CR-0375FW and the CR-0675FG. Both of these rice cookers utilize advanced fuzzy logic technology to ensure perfectly cooked rice every time. However, they cater to different needs based on their capacities and features. Let's dive into the details to see which one might be the best fit for you. The first major difference between these two models is their cooking capacity. The CR-0375FW is designed for smaller households, offering a capacity of 3 cups uncooked and 6 cups cooked. This makes it ideal for individuals or couples. On the other hand, the CR-0675FG caters to larger families or gatherings with a capacity of 6 cups uncooked and 12 cups cooked. If you often cook for more people, the CR-0675FG is the better choice. Next, let's talk about size. The CR-0375FW is compact, measuring 8.6 x 11.5 x 7.9 inches and weighing just 2.9 kilograms, making it easy to fit in smaller kitchens. In contrast, the CR-0675FG is larger, with dimensions of 11.34 x 14.9 x 10.2 inches and a weight of 4.853 kilograms. While the larger model offers more cooking capacity, it does require more counter space. Finally, let's consider the price. The CR-0375FW is priced at $99, making it an affordable option for those who need a smaller rice cooker. Meanwhile, the CR-0675FG is available for $109, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. If budget is a concern and you don't need the extra capacity, the CR-0375FW might be the way to go. In conclusion, both the CUCKOO CR-0375FW and CR-0675FG rice cookers have their unique advantages. If you're looking for a compact and budget-friendly option, the CR-0375FW is perfect for you. However, if you need a larger capacity for family meals or gatherings, the CR-0675FG is the better choice. Whichever you choose, you can expect perfectly cooked rice every time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.